In this video, we have given that 2x plus x square y is equal to y. 2y plus y square z is equal to g. And 2g plus g square x is equal to x. Then we have to find all real solutions. So we have 2x plus x square y is equal to y, and it is 2x is equal to y minus x square y, and 2x is equal to y times 1 minus x square. So y will be equal to 2x by 1 minus x square, and we have 2y plus y square z is equal to g. So by the same way, g will be equal to 2y by 1 minus y square, and we have 2g plus g square x is equal to x. So x will be equal to 2g by 1 minus g square, and x square cannot be equal to 1. From here, if x is equal to 1, then 2x plus x square y is equal to y, and it will be 2 plus y is equal to y, and y will get cancelled, and it is 2 is equal to 0. That is not possible. And if x is equal to minus 1, then we have 2x plus x square y is equal to y, and 2x will be minus 2 plus x square y will be y, that is y, and y will get cancelled, and it is minus 2 is equal to 0. That is not possible. So x square cannot be equal to 1, and by the same way, here y square, it cannot be equal to 1, and here g square, it cannot be equal to 1. And now see these values carefully. You might remember that tan 2 theta, it is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, where tan square theta is not equal to 1. So if we take x is equal to tan theta, theta belongs from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, because tan theta is continuous from pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. It is minus pi by 2, and it is pi by 2, and after pi by 2, it repeats itself, and before minus pi by 2, it repeats itself. And we have y is equal to 2x by 1 minus x square. So y will be 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, that will be tan 2 theta, and g is equal to 2y by 1 minus y square. So g will be equal to 2 tan 2 theta by 1 minus tan 2 theta square, that will be tan 2 times 2 theta will be 4 theta, and x is equal to 2g by 1 minus g square. So x will be 2 times tan 4 theta by 1 minus tan 4 theta square, that will be tan 2 times 4 theta will be 8 theta. So x is equal to tan 8 theta, x is equal to tan 8 theta, that is equal to tan theta, and if tan alpha is equal to tan beta, then alpha is equal to n pi plus beta. So here 8 theta will be equal to n pi plus theta, and 8 theta minus theta will be 7 theta, that will be n pi, and theta will be equal to n pi by 7, and theta belongs from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So n can be equal to minus 3, because if n is minus 4, then minus 4 by 7 will be less than minus pi by 2, and n can be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. N cannot be 4, because 4 pi by 7 is greater than pi by 2. And x, y, z, it is equal to x is tan theta, y is tan 2 theta, and z is tan 4 theta. So x, y, z, it will be equal to tan theta is n pi by 7, tan 2 theta will be 2n pi by 7, and tan 4 theta will be 4n pi by 7, where n is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. For n is equal to minus 3, it is one solution. For n is equal to minus 2, it is one solution. And for n is equal to 3, it is one solution. So number of solutions it will be 7.